Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make brownie cookies. These cookies are literally a crowd pleaser. Every time I bring it to a party, they are gone in an instant. So let's get started. We're going to be preparing our cookie sheet first. Spray parchment by. First, we're going to be preparing a couple of mixtures. To a medium bowl, we're going to add in a little bit of flour, baking powder. Can't forget the salt. Give this a quick mix. I'm going to set this off to the side. In another bowl,
we're going to add in a little bit of chocolate chips.
And we're going to add a little bit of butter. Now I'm just going to pop this into the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds increments. We're going to give it a mix. We're going to add in just a little bit of cocoa powder. Mixy mix. We're going to set this off to the side as well. You're going to need a stand mixer. We're going to crack our eggs into a separate bowl so we can make sure we don't get any shell. And as you guys can see, I am almost good with my one-handed egg crack. We're going to add our eggs to our bowl. We're going to add in some sugar as well. I just spilled cocoa powder all over my shirt. Just go with it. Can't forget the vanilla. Whip till it has doubled in size. We're going to add in a little bit of oil. Now we're going to add in our chocolate mixture. Now we're going to take this off and we're going to fold in our dry mixture. Let the batter sit for about 5-ish minutes. Once it has set, it should have thickened up a lot. Don't worry, that's what's supposed to happen. Scoop it onto the pan. Time to go in the oven. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below any other baking ideas you want me to do. See you later.